All right, what up, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to give a VIX and SPY update. We're going to break down some of the trades in the options trading Tycoon's Discord. Okay, we were able to get over 650% on one of our trades, and we also got some 300% trades. We'll take a look at the profits from Friday. Okay, you can see I had a snowflake trade 300%. That was in the morning. Okay, right around 10:30, we took some profits on those. Right. You can see early in the day, people are getting 38% on their whole account. That's the admin trader right there, Tycoon Leon. Okay. And then you can see my SPY call out for the 400 puts, 652%. I had a pretty good day Friday, 41% on the overall account. Okay. Leon was able to finish the account with 55% gains. Lots of good stuff going on in the Discord. If you want to join, linked in is in the description to join. Okay. Use code Zachly, all right, and you'll gain access to our call outs. Okay, so I put SPY 400 puts expire today at 88 cents a contract. Okay, that was at 11:40 in the morning, and we were able to close them at 132 at 650%. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That's the Discord. Link is in the description. We'll break down the chart now. Okay. So what I want to show you guys is going to be some really important stuff. Okay. We're looking at the VIX right now, and what we are seeing is buying channels. Okay. So previously, we were in a downtrend, right? The stock market was going up. SPY was going up because VIX was trading in these sell channels. Okay. We are trading in these bearish channels. Now we have our bullish channels, right? Our algorithmic buying channels. Okay. So as you can see, we start to go up in this direction. And then what do? We gap up to the next channel and we trade in this upwards channel. We drop down a little bit, okay, and come back up. And, this is our market structure we're looking at. Okay. These are the channels. All right. There's a nice gap down to fill on VIX. Okay. Now, this could fill soon. This could fill in the next week or two. All right. Or this may take until November, December, January to fill. All right. Right now, the market is very, very volatile. Okay. We can see the VIX had lows of 19 here. Okay. And recently hit highs of 27 up here. All right. So, things have been dropping a lot. A lot of stocks have been dropping hard. Initially, look right here. Okay, we saw the market start to rally. Okay, so VIX dropped down pretty hard on Friday in the pre-market. Okay, what happened was job numbers came out. All right, and volatility dropped pretty hard. Okay, that's evident right here by the sharp drop in VIX. Right, and we'll take a look at SPY and the futures later. And really chart those up and just show you guys how we got in on the trades, right? So clearly we're seeing that it's more risk on, right? It's more of a risk on environment with the sharp drop pre-market, right? And this is where, we were able to come in and get the snow call options because, look, VIX had a very sharp drop in the morning. Okay. But what it did was it bounced off of its buying channel. Okay. And it bounced off the bottom Bollinger Band right here. You see this bottom Bollinger Band. That's an area where I look to go for puts, right? If VIX is at support, you want to short the market. And when VIX rises, the market is going to go down. When VIX goes down, the market is going to go up. So look at that right there. This is right around 1 o'clock. Okay. We're going to go into, all right, SPY right now, and we'll take a look at the pattern that we were really looking at on SPY. Okay. So what we had, and these are just all my levels that I'm really looking to play as a level to level trader, right? But if we look here, okay, we had the nice bullish pattern forming. Okay, we had this nice descending wedge. All right, and we had a very strong rally, okay, on the previous day on Thursday. Okay, and then what do we know? We come here right around 8 o'clock. Okay, 8:30, the job numbers come out. We push higher. The market dips just a little bit. And what do we hit? We hit our support level, right? So as a level to lever trader, I'm looking to go long here, right? We go long. I don't get stopped out, right? Because it doesn't really hit my stop loss. We just have a wick here, and then we get a very nice bullish candle. Okay, we come up, and this is my resistance level. So I'm taking profits here. Okay, I'm taking profits here, and I'm taking profits here, right? And I notice on the futures as well that this is a super, super strong resistance level, right? So what does this look like to me? It looks like we had this bullish pattern set up, right? And we got a failed breakout. Okay, we did break out to the upside, but clearly we failed and came all the way back down to test those previous lows again. All right. So, we'll go ahead and look at the futures now, as I was saying earlier. Okay. And again, look at this time. This is right around 1 o'clock. So we saw VIX, okay, hitting its support. And if VIX hitting support, All right, SPY hitting resistance at 1 o'clock. Okay, and now we'll go to the futures. Okay, we'll look at the futures, and I chart the futures up on the smaller time frame, right? So what we have first off on the daily is we have a bearish channel. So I know that this is the overall trend, the overall pattern, this white bearish channel, right? If we come down to the 5-minute chart, right, this is where I'm really looking to see what's going to happen on the price action, right? We had this nice bear flag that we had charted out here. We got the breakout down into our demand zone. Okay, we had a small demand zone here. You can see we consolidated, tried to push higher, but the demand was not there. Okay, we fell back down into this demand zone where we rallied nicely, consolidated, got those good job numbers, and look at what we hit. We hit this resistance line here, okay? And again, this is right around 1 o'clock. So we're seeing at 1 o'clock, we're hitting resistance. And then we also have the major trend line from our bearish channel, right? This middle dotted trend line right here is from the daily chart. That's the middle of our bearish channel, right? So we're in a downtrend and we're hitting the resistance part of the bearish channel, okay? We zoom in some more. All right. And we can see clearly here on the futures what a dramatic move that drop really was, right? On the 5-minute chart. Okay. We come up here and, we're up here trading, 12 to 1 o'clock. All right. And we enter in, and I was watching a specific pattern, right? And this was the pattern that I posted in the Discord. I said, once we break this trend line right here, okay, and it was this trend line. All right. And we got a very, very clean break. Okay. I'm going to break it down for you guys. So this was where I got the entry on puts, right? We're bouncing, we're holding this trend line here. And then we have our support level or our resistance level above. This was forming an ascending triangle, right? So this could have been a bullish pattern. We could have gotten the breakout to the upside and continued that bullishness, but we did not get that, right? What we're looking for is a break below this trend line. And we got a very nice bearish engulfing right here. We broke below. And then look at what we did. We retested the trend line, a perfect retest, right? So you break below, come back, retest the trend line, and boom, you crash. All right. And that's exactly what we did. So, we were able to take some really, really nice profits off of that, right? So, we're using the VIX, we're using the SPY, we're using the futures charts. We're seeing patterns. Okay. We're looking at supply and demand zones, and we're looking to play level to level, so I'm really watching these 3 charts every day, right? And I'm coming in and I'm seeing how can I make money off of these? Where are the opportunities in the market? And once you have your key levels on the VIX, okay, and you can understand where support is, you have your Bollinger Bands on here, you have resistance on SPY, you have resistance on the futures. Things will start to come together for you a lot more. All right. So hopefully you like this video. Hopefully you learned something new, gain some, good ideas for charting, right? These are really the main things that 3 things that I look at every single day that the stock market is open. Okay. I'm looking at the futures, I'm looking at SPY, and I'm looking at VIX, and I'm using these to play level to level, right? I want to catch it at the key levels. All right. And I want to ride it to the key levels and sell. All right. I was able to sell down here at the bottom. Okay. I didn't sell at the perfect bottom, but as a level to level trader, we did very, very well. Okay. Just blew past all of our levels. No really, fight against that. And we were able to take some very, very good profits. All right. So again, if you want to join the Discord, link to join is in the description below. Use code Zachly for a discount. Okay.